Rainbow part number, LF8M189E1A, LF8M189E1A, LF8M189E1C, LF8M189E1D, LF8M189E1F, LF8M189E1E, LF8M189E1G, LF8M189E1H. Please note that need the VIN number of your vehicle to program. Please contact with us to provide the information after you place an order. Thanks in advance. Cyclone application, remanufactured style, LF8M18-9E1A LF8M189E1F transmission control module TCU/TCM for Mazda 3 2.0 L 2010 to 2011 aftermarket parts. Please make sure the part number matches the part you are replacing. Please refer to compatibility chart above for specified vehicle information before purchasing to ensure fitment. Wind chime high quality. This item has been carefully refurbished to produce a high-quality transmission control module. The normal use rate of the refurbished unit is 99% and can be used normally. It has high quality and compactness, good resistance, durability, and long service life. Moon viewing ceremony disclaimer: it is your mechanic's responsibility to pinpoint the problem to the TCM. Solenoids and wiring harness must be tested for possible failure or short. Faulty transmission control modules will always illuminate at light and or check engine light and produce diagnostic fault codes. Trophy customer service, 7/24 all-day service, a truly worry-free shopping experience.